Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we will solve mathematics question how to find percentage of a specific number. So we have the question of 10% of 520. So 10% if we remove the percent we will get 10 by 100 and off means hota hai into. So the sign of multiplication and then 520. So the 0 will be cancelled and we will get 52. 52 by 1 and we can also write it as 52. And the next let's move to our another question is 50% of 500. As we know, when we remove the percentage we will get 50 by 100 and off means the multiplication, so the sign of multiplication and 500. So the 0 will be cancelled, so we will get 250 by 1 and we can also write it as 250. I hope you like the video. Do share and subscribe to my channel. I will meet you in the next video. Bye.